Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's Peace here. So guys, in this video I'll be showing you 13 different ways to style your natural hair. And I got a new backdrop, guys. New backdrop, and I'm so excited. So guys, this is the first time I'm actually showing you guys my dried hair, like dried and like combed out hair. So guys, that's my hair. Beautiful, lovely, and I'm proud to be an African. I don't want it stretched out. So guys, if you are new or you just stopped by to watch my video, please why don't you subscribe so that anytime I post anything, you're going to know. Let's jump into our video. You need your white tooth comb, your tail comb, you need spray bottle, you're going to be needing your OUCHLESS band and your bobbin pin to style your natural hair. If you have all these tools, then I think you're good to go. Please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to give me a thumbs up if you love this video, and please comment down the comment section and please share. So guys, my first style will be the mohawk. Before you do all this, you need to moisturize your hair so that it will be easy to handle. Mohawk is simple. Just get your bobbin pin and then pin the sides of your hair and you're good to go. Mohawk is really lovely. I love this style when I'm going for parties or when I'm going to see a friend or when I want people to be like, is that your hair? That's when I like putting on this style. It's so lovely. So guys, my second style would be the half up, half down. This style, I take it to anywhere, party, friend's house, church, wherever. I think the style is decent. I don't know, but I just love this style. Like, anyone that knows me knows that I love half up, half down, and it's really, really beautiful. So guys, my third style will be the pineapple puff. You just want to comb out your hair and then use a shoelace. Well guys, shoelace works well for me. Some people prefer thread or yarns, but I prefer shoelaces. I don't know. Style will be a double-sided flat twist. I'm just going to pack the back of my hair and then leave the front, center part it, comb back my hair, and I'll just flat twist and then pin it to the back. That's basically all. You don't need too much to do. This style is just simple. Just get your bobbin pin and you're good to go. My next style will be the one-sided twist. I'll just take one of the flat twists, loosen it up, and just twist that side of my hair. You could pick either the left or the right and just twist it up or twist it down. My next style is to just twist the other part of the center part. I mean, it's nothing too much. You just do what you do to the right, do to the left, body to the left, do it to the right, and you're good to go. Party, church, friends place, whatever, beach, you're good to go. So guys, the next style will be the twist out. You just twist out what you twisted before. You just twist it out. Like, nothing much to do. center part, your twist out, and that's another style. Very lovely, very beautiful. You're good to go. You're good to go. So guys, my next style will be the front knot. I also love this style because it's nothing too much. It's just like keeping my hair off my face. I just take the tip, I just roll it down, and I use a pin to like hold it down. You could also use your bobbin pin, and you are good to go. Like, it's nothing so hard. In 2 minutes you are done. You're good to go. My next style is the high puff. I'm not really a fan of this style, but it's very lovely. You just take your yarn, your thread, whatever works for you, and like tie your hair way up. It's different from pineapple, and we're good to go. From this high puff, I'll be making out a style called the top knot. So I'll just take the tip of the puff and I just roll it down, and then I use my pin to pin it down. And guys, my 12th and last style will be the afro. Afro, basically you just comb out your hair. You don't need so much. Just use your wild tooth comb to just comb out your hair and make it look really puffy. Please let me know below the comment section the 2 styles you really love out of all the styles I've created, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.